Hi everyone, so welcome back to a brand new video, and if you don't know me then hi, my name is Jayeeta and today I am going for a family function and I thought to shoot a get ready with me kind of video. So if you are interested to see that kind of video then you are in the right place. So please keep on watching the video till the end, and without further ado, let's get started for today's video. So before starting the makeup, I would like to put my hair in a bun. Then starting my makeup, firstly I'm applying a silicone base primer which is from Record Ace of Base a primer. This will help the makeup last a longer. Then applying Mars concealer to conceal all the discoloration that I have in my skin. Then to blend the concealer, here I am using a damp beauty blender. Next for the foundation, I'm gonna be mixing two different shades from the Maybelline Fit Me range. One shade is 230 Natural Buff and the other shade is 332 Golden Caramel. Now while applying the foundation, one thing I always keep in mind that along with my face, I need to apply the foundation on my neck and on my ears as well. Otherwise there will be a very bad visible difference in my skin color. Next, to define my face structure, I am taking the Inside Cosmetics contour stick and my shade is 03 Chocolate. Now this product has a very smooth and creamy texture and it blends very easily. Now using the same beauty blender, same damp beauty blender, I am blending the cream contour. Now to set everything that I have done for my base makeup, I'm gonna be using some loose powder from Maybelline. Instead of using a loose powder, you can go for any compact powder that you have in your vanity. For my eyebrows, I'm taking PAC Super Brow Palette and taking the dark brown creamy shade. Firstly, I'm outlining my brows and then gonna be filling it with the tiny strokes of the brush. This brush comes with the palette. With the leftover product in the brush, I am filling the front part of my brows, and now I am taking the black powder shades, and with the shades I am intensifying my brows and then brushing my brows with the spoolie. Thus my one eyebrow is done and other one को मैं off camera कर लूँगी. Well, so after doing my eyebrows, now it's time for the eye makeup. Now from the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, shade number is 02. I'm taking this beautiful peachy brown shade and gonna be applying this all over my eyelids and on my lower lash line as well. Then from the same palette, taking this beautiful shimmer shade and putting it on the inner half of my eyelids. Now after putting this shimmer shade, using a precise blending brush, I'm just putting the dark brown shade in the outer corner to intensify the depth of my eyes. Now after applying all the eyeshadow, I am blending the edges so that there can be no harsh line. Today I am not gonna be applying any eyeliner, and now I am putting kajal on my lower lash line and on the upper waterline. Now using a small flat brush and the dark brown shade, I am just smudging the kajal. Simple सा makeup look create करी हूँ as I said before, so obviously I'm not gonna wear any falsies. And for the mascara, today I'm gonna be using a Mars Fabulous mascara. And after using this for 1 year, I can see now that this is one of the best mascara under 200 rupees. For my blusher, today I have the Sugar Contour the Force Mini Blush in the shade 01 Peachy Pink. And for my highlighter, today I have Mars Velour Highlighter in the shade 03 Private Show. मार्स का प्रोडक्ट मुझे पर्सनली बहुत पसंद है, एंड ये जो हाइलाइटर है, दिस इज अ मल्टीपर्पज प्रोडक्ट. यू कैन यूज दिस एज योर शिमर आई शैडो एज वेल. यूजिंग दिस सेम हाइलाइटर मैं अपने ब्राउ बोन्स को भी हाईलाइट कर रही हूँ. Now for my lips, firstly I'm using Mars Lip Crayon in the shade I Am Powerful 08, and secondly I'm using the Swiss Beauty Silk Matte Lipstick in the shade 03 Honey Love. Now last but not the least, to set my makeup, I'm using a makeup fixer by Swiss Beauty. Well, thus my makeup is done and I'm wearing some jewelries like earrings, bangles and all. And at first I was thinking to keep my hair open, then I changed my decision and tied my hair in a voluminous ponytail. You know, this voluminous ponytail has become my favorite and my go-to hairstyle. Whenever I need to do a simple and elegant hairstyle, I do this voluminous ponytail. So today for my outfit I'm wearing this beautiful navy blue color kurta and pairing this up with a green color leggings. Okay, so now with my outfit today I am carrying this beautiful sling bag which I recently purchased from Zouk. Now in case you don't know, Zouk is a 100% vegan, cruelty free, PETA approved, proudly Indian brand that's handcrafted to impress with style, strength and space. As you can see, look wise the bag is super stylish, beautiful, elegant and spacious enough to carry your purse, mobile and makeup stuffs, etc. It has a crossbody adjustable strap which is really strong and has a main compartment which is really very spacious, a main single compartment over here and with an zip pocket in the front for easy access. And inside the main compartment there is another compartment, this one. It's like a little zipper slot to keep your small belongings safe and handy. And let me tell you one thing, that zip का जो quality है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. And one bonus point is that कि inner का जो lining है, जो fabric lining है, that is water resistant. So now for me I can tell that this is one of the best purchase that I ever made in the case of bags. So if you were interested to buy any Zouk products, I will give the link in the description box below and you can use my coupon code, that is YTJAYEETA12 YTJayeeta12 to avail 12% discount on Zouk website. And not only bags, Zouk के website में there is a huge collections of footwear, wallets, bags obviously. So please visit their website, link will be given in the description box below. So that is it for today's video guys. I hope you find this video really helpful, and if really that, then please give me a big thumbs up. Also if you have any queries regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reply for that. And also मुझे अपने सारे social networking sites पे ज़रूर follow करके रखना. सारे link will be given in the description box below. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay blessed and most importantly stay safe. Love you and bye bye.